FitKing is making some pretty awesome products. And the one thing that I absolutely love is that they are completely cordless. So full on rechargeable. They provide you with everything. So of course you've got your USB rechargeable and your USB block. You plug that in. It does come with the both massagers for right and left calf. And look at this. It is such a light little device. Of course, now they come in out of the box fully recharged. I'll just turn it on just to see. There you go. And I can adjust the intensity and the level. So this is the mode and this is the intensity. And of course, when I make sure that it starts, let's go and put it just like that, it's going to inflate and start massaging the calves. And right now, you can hear it. I'm sure you're going to be able to see it inflate slowly and move about and do its thing. It's really, really fantastic. And when you're done, you just plug it back in and charge it up for the next time. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm wearing them on. And of course, you can adjust it however you like. So this is good for, large, medium, even small legs. Right now, they're both on. They're both doing the exact same thing, which is making me feel wonderful. I can imagine this for recovery after a workout. Oh, right now, all of them are compressing the back of my calves. So it's really working up and down, depending on the mode, of course, that you choose. Over clothes, like I am right now, or right on your skin. There's no danger, and it feels incredible. Now it's releasing. It's going to be fantastic for my very poor circulation.